Murmuji, Honorable Governor of Assam, Professor Jagadish Mukhiji, Honorable Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Sri Bishwajit Doimariji, Honorable Chief Justice, Guwahati High Court, Justice R.M. Sayaji, Sri Rameshwar Teliji, Honorable Minister of State, Government of India in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Government of Assam, Sri Otul Bora, Honorable Minister of Soil Conservation of Assam, Sri Urkhao Gora Brahmaji, my colleague ministers, Honorable Judges of Guwahati High Court, respected Vice Chancellors, Param Pujaniya Hotradhikar Prabhu Ishwar Hokol, Senior Officials of Army, Air Force, Civil Administration, Senior Citizen of Assam, Sports and Cultural Icons of Assam, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a historic day for the people of Assam. After her assumption of the prestigious office of the President of India, this is the first visit of Honorable Srimati Draupadi Murmuji to Assam. In fact, Assam is the second state in the northeast India that she has visited after taking over the prestigious and high office of the President of the country. After attending various government programs in our neighboring state of Tripura yesterday and today morning, she has arrived at Guwahati this afternoon. She has already inaugurated several important projects and laid foundation stone of several others in a program held at IIT Guwahati today. Assam की इस धन्य भूमि पर माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी की ऐतिहासिक यात्रा पर मैं असम वासियों की ओर से उनको हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। भवानेव ऐश्य राष्ट्र स नयनमणि भवतां सादरं प्रणमामि। You are the eye of this nation. My profound obeisance to you. আপুনি এই ৰাষ্ট্ৰৰ নয়নমণি, আপোনাক মা কামাখ্যা আৰু মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ এই পবিত্ৰ ভূমিলৈ মই অসমবাসীৰ হৈ আদৰণি জনাইছো। Madam, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has described your assuming the highest office as a watershed moment of our country, especially for the poor, marginalized and downtrodden. Modi ji has said, and I quote, Srimati Draupadi Murmuji's life, her early struggles, her rich service and her exemplary success motivates each and every Indian. She has emerged as a ray of hope for our citizens, especially the poor, marginalized and the downtrodden. He has also said, and I quote, in her address after taking oath, President Draupadi Murmu ji gave a message of hope and compassion. She emphasized on India's accomplishment and presented a futuristic vision of the path ahead at a time when India is marking Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. I unquote. Honorable President, Srimati Murmuji is an embodiment of women power in the country. She is an example of the great democratic spirit of our great nation. As Honorable Prime Minister has rightly said, she is a ray of hope for the millions of poor, marginalized and downtrodden people of India. She has devoted her life to empowering the downtrodden and strengthening the democratic values. She is a source of inspiration for millions of Indians. Her extraordinary life has given strength and courage to the countrymen. The arrival of Honorable President to Assam has indeed inspired us and motivated us. In the last 8 decades of the country's independence, no tribal leader has held the highest constitutional post despite tribal people being an important part of India's demography. Honorable Murmuji has adorned the post of Honorable President by creating history. She is the first leader born after the independence of the country to hold the country's highest constitutional post, and also the first leader from Odisha to become the first citizen of the country. The glorious moment of her taking over as president will always be written in the golden letters in the hearts of millions of Indians. For the people of Assam, it is indeed a matter of great pride that Honorable President hails from Orissa, with which our state has century-old historic relation. Starting with the bonds of religion, this relationship is spiritual and emotional. The Krishna culture is dominant in the lands of both Assam and Orissa. The holy land of both the states is witness to the spiritual journey of Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. Shankardev, the founder of the spiritual and cultural life of Assam, laid the foundation of Neo-Vaishnavism in the state. With the experience he gained through the visiting various religious places in the country, including visiting Jagannath Puri twice. Assam was the Janma Bhumi and Orissa was the Karma Bhumi of Sahityarathi Lakshminath Bezborua, the most memorable name of modern Assamese literature. In the beginning of the 20th century, he strengthened the relation between Assam and Orissa. Today, Sambalpur in Orissa, where Lakshminath Bezborua once lived, is not merely a name for the people of Assam, but it is deeply connected with the emotion and history of the Assamese people. Honorable President of India, in her speech in IIT Guwahati, mentioned about Assam tea. Tea grown in Assam is one of the driving forces of Assam economy. The tree tribe, Adivasi community, who came to Assam from the other parts of the country, including Orissa, almost 150 years ago, have been playing a crucial role in rapid growth of the tea industry. The tree tribe Adivasi people, including the Santhal community, have made Assam cultural life more vibrant. In a way, as a daughter of the Santhal community, Honorable President Srimati Murmuji is also a daughter of Assam. She has visited Assam several times in the past and acquainted herself with this land. Honorable President Srimati Murmuji's life shows the thorough dedication, perseverance and commitment we can make all the impossible in life possible. Hailing from a humble background, Honorable Murmuji has been able to move ahead in life, being enlightened by the power of education. She devoted herself to the great cause of building human resources by being involved in the noble profession of teaching. In the year 2000, Honorable Srimati Murmuji was elected from Rairangapur constituency as a member of the Legislative Assembly of Orissa and continued to hold the post till 2009, serving 2 terms. She has left imprint of her administrative skill by serving as a minister twice between 2000 and 2004. In both assignments, she introduced innovative initiative and people-oriented measures. She was also appointed a member of various committees, including House Committee and Standing Committee of Orissa Legislative Assembly. She also chaired some of the important committees. With her rich administrative experience and thanks to her effort to spread education in tribal societies, she carved a special identity for herself. For her service as a legislator, she was awarded the Pandit Nilkandas Best Legislature Award in 2007 by Orissa Legislative Assembly. Honorable Srimati Murmuji was appointed Governor of Jharkhand in 2015. She is the first woman tribal governor of a tribal majority state, and she received wide appreciation for upholding the values of Constitution and supporting the rights of the tribal communities. She introduced reform in examination and recruitment process of the state universities. She earned respect from the leaders of all political parties for her statesmanship and adherence to democratic ethos. It is a matter of joy and pride that we have been able to have such an experienced statesman dedicated to the service of the society as President of our great nation. Madam, your presence has glorified this holy land of Assam. We are truly delighted and proud to have you amidst us today. আজি অসমবাসীয়ে অত্যন্ত গৰ্ব অনুভৱ কৰিছে যে ভাৰতৰ সন্মানীয় ৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিৰ দায়িত্ব লৈয়ে মাননীয় শ্ৰীমতী দ্ৰৌপদী মুৰ্মু ডাঙৰীয়ানী আমাৰ এই পবিত্ৰ ভূমিলৈ আহিছে। আমি তেখেতক পুনৰ এবাৰ হৃদয়ৰ গভীৰতম কোণৰ পৰা আদৰণি জনাইছো। I express my gratitude to Honorable President Srimati Murmuji for visiting this blessed land of Ma Kamakhya and Mahapurush Srimanta Shankardev. I wish you good health, long life and a fruitful presidential tenure. I hope you will deeply cherish this visit and the hospitality of the people of Assam. মই আশা কৰোঁ আপুনি অসমবাসীৰ প্ৰতি সদায় আপোনাৰ আশীৰ্বাদ ৰাখিব আৰু অসমৰ প্ৰগতি আৰু বিকাশৰ বাবে আপুনি সদায় আমাক প্ৰেৰণা যোগাই যাব। এই দুআষাৰ কৈয়ে মই আপোনাক এই পবিত্ৰ অসমলৈ আদৰণি জনাই মই মোৰ বক্তব্যৰ সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं अपने बातों को यही समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। भारत माता की जय।
नोंथाङा गोबां रां आर्जिनो गोसो जादों नामा? जुदि गोसो जादों अब्ला नोंथांनि थाखाय मोजां खौरां। निउ इन्डिया टेक्न'लजिज मास्टार फ्रेन्चाइज अल आसाम एटिएम सार्भिस हिटाची एटिएम एन्ड टाटा इन्डिकेस एटिएम फसंनानै नोंथाङाबो गोबां रां बुथुमनो हागोन। लाइमोनफोरनिफ्राय जागायनानै बैसो जानाय गासिबो बैसोनि सुबुंफोरानो बे फालांगिजों गोरलैनो रां आर्जिनो हागोन। नोंथांनि गामियावबो बे एटिएम मेसिनखौ फसंनानै नोंथाङाबो मुलाम्फा मोननो हागोन। बांसिनै मिन्थिनो थाखाय 7002005072 एबा 9401230135 जानबुं अनजिमायाव दिनैनो सुलाद ला।